Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unbagging for you, and it comes from Amazon, and it is very budget friendly. So before I get into the canvas, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and anybody who is new, thank you so much. I never ever thought in a million years, that I'd even be doing a YouTube channel. But I just never thought I'd have so many people that gave two poops for, anything that I had to say or show or anything. So I just want to say completely thank you so much for all y'all support. And I do hope y'all enjoy these videos. And just do all the YouTube things like the subscribe, all that stuff. So this is a 40 by 40, y'all. Okay, so like I said, I got this from Amazon. And y'all, guess how much I gave for this? For a 40 by 40. What would y'all think? Well, I'll tell you how much I gave for him. I gave $4.89 for this big O 40 by 40. And isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty, y'all? And it is a poured glue. And it is a round canvas. So it is the sun and the moon. And I just thought that was such an amazing price for this big of a canvas. All right, so let's look at this. You get in your toolkit, you get a few baggies. You get a few of these little baggies. You get 2 things of wax. You get a green boat. And looks like possibly a 7 placer. And a pink pen. So it's a little bit better than your average toolkit. So not bad, especially for these little budget friendly little canvases. All right, so let's look at the drills. Now, looks like the canvas number on the top of the canvas, and it's also on the drill bags. All right, so okay, those are separate. Here we go. All right, there are 23 colors in this. And like I said, it is a round canvas, round drill. And the drills, everything looks pretty good. There's purples, some red, orange. All of that goes in the sun. Some blues and grays. A little bit of browns, green. That is really a pretty green. All right. Ooh, that one's pretty too. And then there's the 23. All right. So, I'll set those to the side. And I'm going to bring y'all down. And we're going to look at the drill field. If my phone will focus. All right. I think it looks really good. You might need a light pad if you have difficult seeing, which I do, but I've gotten to where I just use my magnifying LED lamp light thingy, and I don't even have to have my light board hardly at all anymore. But yeah, it looks pretty good. And I just love this image. I just thought it was really cute. Alright, so I'm going to bring you back up. Alright, so, like I said, it is a 40 by 40. It has the thumbnail at the top. It has a schematic on the top left and one on the bottom right. DMC charted on the schematic, and it looks like we have all letters. So, that's wonderful. But yeah, again, I think it looks really good. And there are no training wheels on here, so that's even better. So I think it's a good looking canvas. And you cannot beat $4.88 for a 40 by 40. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think about the canvas or the price of the canvas? I think it's a good one. I think I did pretty good. So, y'all just leave me a comment and I will put a link in my description box on this and let you know if it's still available. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye.